Yes lads, it's been a while, welcome to another video. You join me here on a beautiful sunny day, finally, in the UK. I'm here up Rivington, take a look at this. Look at those views, can't beat it up here. Loads of bikers out today on a Sunday, but I got a delivery from BecauseRaceCarBox, so it's time to unbox that, so let's get into it. Oh, here we go. Oh, we got a 458. RaceCarBox is stepping up the game with these exotics. Right, we got, what's this? We got a diamond weave drying towel. Wow, what's this? Auto Perfection Clarity Quick Detailer. Try that out. What we got here? Wheel cleaner. I'm running out of this actually, I could do with some. And we got some Wax Planet Shell Shock Nano Sealant Technology. What's that, like a ceramic coating? Oh, okay. Oh no!
1 hour later.
Right, so what else have we got? We got rain sealant, rain off, glass repellent. Okay, I've never used this on windscreen, so I'll give that a go. And jelly bean air freshener. Okay. Hey, let's have a smell of this. Squirt it in the lid. Oh, that smells gorgeous. Alright. And then we got some gloves, we got a sprayer bottle, I'm guessing to go with the... Well, it looks like it goes with that. Okay. This wheel cleaner, do you dilute it? 1 to 3. Oh, that's good. And we've got some... Oh, what's this? Hashtag ask about my beads. Right. Awesome. Right, good selection there. Let's chuck them back in there a minute. So, let's put that down there. Right lads, I've got a, I bought a few action cameras. I bought a cheap one. This was 20 quid. And then I've got this one. This was slightly more expensive. I bought this off Wish, and it was how much did I pay? Was it 38? What I'll do, I'll put a link in the description. They don't come with memory cards, either of them, but they come with loads of accessories. But I think this one is really good. This is a Wi-Fi 4K version apparently. So we're going to be trying that out. I also ordered off eBay some mounts to go with it. I ordered one of these as well. I think that can go on the inside. But the only problem about this DS3 is the dashboard. You cannot stick anything to it. I've tried sticking these to it. You get these mounts, right? Come on, get out, lads. And they got 3M tape on the back, right? Which is a good brand. They do not stick to that dashboard. Yeah, and it's so annoying. And it's with these new ones. The 14 shape model didn't have this textured dashboard. It had a smooth one, you could stick anything to it, it was really good. But I don't know what they were thinking when they put this in. Yeah, it looks nice. You can't bloody stick anything to it. So I think I need to do a video about these DS3s. like and dislike video, so keep watching with that. Also, coming up, I've got I bought light tint that's going on. What else have we got? We got an air filter going on. So like, get prepared for 600 brake and DS3, it's gonna be sick. So yeah, I'll try and get some footage, driving footage, testing out these cameras. If not, I'll have to save it for another day when I can figure out how to mount it. But yeah. Anyway, that's what I got in the race car box today. And I put a picture on my Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube name, so go and give it a follow. And I got on the story of BecauseRaceCarBox. I just thought they were really good. So anyway, right. See ya.